y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I want to start off by saying happy fall, y'all. This fall, I'm attempting to bake more. So if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know that I don't particularly love to bake, but I love sweets. And so I'm gonna get us started with this campaign, I guess you can call it. And it's gonna be a real easy recipe. It's technically 3 ingredients, but it's really just 2. And if I can do it, you can do it. I took it to a little potluck and it got the Sister Girl Tuesday popping, so you know it's good. And if you wanna see how I make it, just keep watching. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. The first thing you're gonna do is take your Duncan Hines brownie mix. It's gotta be Duncan Hines if you want this to be dairy-free. And then to that, you're gonna add your pumpkin puree. And so I'm pretty sure you could use the whole can, but I just did 1.25 cups to start out with. And this is going to be an arm workout. It's gonna be a nice, thick, dense batter, so it should look like this when you're all finished. Depending on the size pan you have will determine how long you need to bake it. If you have like an 8-inch square pan, then about 30 minutes, but I've got a loaf pan, so it's gonna take closer to an hour, and that's bake time. This is what it looks like straight out of the oven, and then once it's cooled, I put the Duncan Hines again, dairy-free frosting on top, and served it up. Let me know what you think in the comments below.